Alright then, this, as you can see, was my red 2.9 24 valve Cosworth Capri. It has been in a bit of an incident that has resulted in it being written off. Category B, so just take you a bit of a walk around the damage. As you can see, the B post or an A post are completely scrap. It was due to this that they wrote it off because the structural integrity of the roof is gone. Under here you'll see that it wasn't that high speed of an impact. It's not even damaged as far back as the radiator. Everything still works and runs and drives. The radiator actually still holds fluid somehow. But because of the roof, they have written it off. I was involved in a collision with farm animals, pretty low speed, and yeah, it's time to document the rebuild of another Capri to replace this one. Taking it inside the car, you'll see thankfully most of the red fishnets Vaqueros have remained relatively undamaged. Just about, as you can see. The back seats are the same, only they've been removed at the moment. The door cards have survived, and the RS 4-spoke steering wheel has survived. Still has the original radio and an unbroken sunroof handle, miraculously. And this is the new Capri. I've already started it as I was waiting on the GoPro to arrive, but to get a quick walk around of it. It's a black 2-litre Sport, and it will be Xpack. I have the front wings, so I'm doing tonight, of the front wings nearly on, but yeah, trying to get them lined up is the issue. Trying to aim for the standard 4mm gap the whole way around. I've got this side fairly close the whole way up and the whole way along the scuttle. Just need the final fit. So you can see the front spoiler needs a bit of attention as well still. This side now is what we're about to do, so stay tuned and you'll hopefully, by the time the fast bit of the video is over, this will be done. Okay, well, after that 2 minutes and 7 seconds of fettling, there's still some work needs done. I need to file out the fiberglass around the scuttle here because the gap's good here, but it needs to come in a wee bit there. Also where the black line is, I need to file it out a wee hair more, and the bonnet has a wee bit of a kink in it, so that needs fixed as well. But otherwise, we're at the 4mm the whole way up on the feeler gauges. Same on this side. And we're at the 4mm the whole way across there too. So, never done one of these before, but I sort of presume that if you fit the bonnet correctly and work everything from that, you can't really go too far wrong. Need to get the doors on before I finalise it, but that'll be the next night. I still have to do a few rust repairs on the doors before I hang them. So yeah, the cage in the back of her is only a half cage, but it's too much hassle. I'm 6'4.5", so it's too much hassle to remove the sunroof, cassette, etc. in the roof to give me the extra clearance needed to get my legs in and out if I do want to put a full cage in, so it's just going to stay as half a cage. These are the image offset wheels, 3-piece splits. They are 16x8. I think the fronts are 80-40 from memory, and I will be reversing the lips to put the rear the same. So yeah, I have the intention of bolting the kit on for access purposes and to make it easier to line everything up again. I'm going to leave it on slotted holes in the wing rail that I can push it in or out if I need to line it up. The car is going to be getting the engine and running gear from the red car that you saw earlier in the video, only with the addition of 2 turbos. So that's going to be fun. I've never turboed a car before. So the 2 air intakes that you see on the front, they are actually going to be used. They have a genuine purpose. They're going to be feeding air to the turbos. The engine itself has been built for turbo, slow compression, on a dyno setup before the turbos. In the red car it made 228.3 horsepower. I will be aiming for anywhere north of 300, maybe 350 with the twin turbo. I have limited slip diff to go in, a new one. I had one in my red car, but this car is 5-linked, so I intend to fit a new limited slip diff into this and just reuse the MT75 hybrid, the upgraded prop shaft and everything, and hopefully just set it straight into this car, everything that came out of the red car. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. Hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe. Thank you.